Happy Valentine's Day, my gardening friends, lovers everywhere. It's so early morning that I guess I'm gonna go down from the balcony to the garden to make this video. But first I wanna show you something inside. Look.
I really like you, and I wanted to know if you wanted to date me. I am gonna just take a big leap and ask him out. What is your favorite thing about our friendship, and what would you change?
My favorite thing is the fact that it's so incredibly easy to talk to you.
Okay, rate my attractiveness on a scale of 1 to 10.
Only 10? Are you kidding me? If it's only to 10, then I'd have to say 10.
Okay.
What are my green flags?
You're always asking me how I am, and it's like, even though you have so much talent, you're still so caring about everybody around you. I like that a lot about you. Skylar, I really like you, and you're like everything I've been searching for, and I wanted to know if you wanted to date me.
Yes.
Really?
100%.
Really like you.
I really like you.
Well, if that didn't get you in the mood, then I don't know what. I wanna show you something in the garden. I know it's dark, but I wanna show you a magic. If you know some of my previous Valentine video, maybe you know what means a miracle berry. It's a tropical berry bush which when you eat one berry that tastes pretty much like nothing, then for half an hour or so everything sour or bitter tastes very sweet. And this is what I prepared for you for the Valentine's Day this year. 2 branches made in the shape of heart that would look in a couple of years amazing, with a crown above and crown below and 2 hearts in middle. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Happy Valentine's.